Welcome back, friends. Today let's have the last session on our advanced biology coordination, and in this session we are going to discuss about the ABSCISIC acid. This is one among the phytohormones. However, its effect is more on the inhibition of the growth and stimulation of abscission. Now, it is also known as the stress hormone, since it initiates and maintains seeds and bud dormant and brings about the closing of stomata. Kwa hiyo this hormone is very important in stress conditions of the plant where there is no water, no food. Very important hormone because it tends to make or to enable the plant to live in such kind of environment and until to reach the next period where there will be water and sufficient food for the plant growth. So in contrast to other growth substances like auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins, which are plant growth promoters, abscisic acid is the plant growth inhibitor, acting antagonistically to growth promoters. So the discovery of abscisic acid in 1967, it was agreed to call a substance abscisic acid. It has been found in all groups of plants from mosses up and substances that play a similar role. Linolenic acid has been found in algae and liverwort. So abscisic acid is found in mosses and other plants of higher generation, but in lower plants such as algae and liverwort, we have linolenic acid, which tend to perform the same function as abscisic acid. So here we have the chemical structure of abscisic acid, and as you can see, we have the cyclohexene ring, and from this cyclohexene ring we have the attached carboxylic acid chain. So here is the S isomer, here is the R isomer, and as you can see, here you have carbon number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and then we have the attached carboxylic chain where we have carbon number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So here is the S isomer and here is the R isomer of our abscisic acid structure. Now let's see the synthesis and distribution of abscisic acid. It is made in leaves, stems, fruits and seeds. The fact that isolated chloroplast can synthesize it again suggests a link with the carotenoids pigment, which are also made in chloroplast. Kwa hiyo chloroplast peke yake ana uwezo kutengeneza abscisic acid, na kuna link kati ya abscisic acid pamoja na carotenoids ambazo zinatengenezwa pia kwenye chloroplast. Hiyo link tutaenda kuidiscuss soon, tutakapoenda kudiscuss rules of abscisic acid. Kwa abscisic acid moves in vascular system, mainly in phloem. It also moves from the root cap by diffusion from the root cap to upwards. So in terms of rules of abscisic acid in plants, first, it inhibits stem growth, especially during physiological stress, yani during drought, kukiwa kuna maji ina inhibit stem growth. This is important because kama tuta inhibit stem growth, manake mmea utaweza kusurvive. Wakati kama tusinge inhibit stem growth, manake mmea ungeendelea kugrow, na because of the physiological stress, then eventually the plant would die. Pia ina promote bud and stem dormance. Ina promote abscission, that is falling of leaves and fruits before their maturation. Ina promote closing of stomata under condition of water stress. Also, this is very important during the drought sessions or drought seasons, so as the plant will not dry. Sometimes it promotes leaf senescence, that is leaf aging, kuzeeka kwa majani, and it inhibits root growth. This effect is similar to the effect of auxin. It is similar to the effect of ethine, but it is different to the effect of auxin. So in a commercial application of auxin, they are sprayed on tree crops to regulate fruit drop at the end of the season. Kwa kama mmea utaonekana bado na matunda wakati msimu umeisha, ili msimu unaofuata mmea uzae matunda mengine, tutatakiwa to spray abscisic acid. Tukisha spray abscisic acid, this is not auxin, it is abscisic acid. Tukisha spray abscisic acid, manake at the end of the day abscisic acid tukisha spray, manake hiyo itapelekea kwamba kwenye season inayofuata iwe rahisi huo mmea kuweza kuzaa matunda. Lakini kama tusinge spray, manake huo mmea season inayofuata usingezaa. Kwa nini usingezaa? Kwa sababu haukuisha matunda yake kwenye season iliyopita. So this is very important ili mmea uweze kuproduce its fruits again in the second season. They are also sprayed to plant seed to cause the closure of stomata during droughty condition. This is also very important for the survival of the plant. During drought conditions. Now this marks the end of our coordination topic, and we have different reference books here. If you will be able to download them and to have them in your smartphone or in your computer and to review them, it will be better. But if you don't have them, you may just go to buy them in stationery. Also, I beg you to visit my video which I've explained about different books which can be used. And again, it is very important to remind you that remember to visit the reference books for clear diagrams. Some of the diagrams which I've been using in these notes, I've got them from online, and they are not compatible with the diagrams which are present in your books. So these are used just only for teaching, but they can not help you sometimes to answer your exams, but they increase your understanding of biology and of coordination and biology as well. And another thing which I can remind you that these notes will be updated almost every year. So this is the 2020 version of the notes. So if you have these notes, or if you will buy from me these notes, it's good. But if your young brother maybe will need these notes, it is better to get an update for every year, because I will be adding some of the updates which will be enable the students to answer well their exams according to different exams which will be conducted in the different years of studies. Thank you everybody. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and to share the link for this video. Let's meet in the next topic when we'll be discussing other topics of advanced biology, advanced mathematics, advanced chemistry and physics. Thank you. Let me wish you nice studies.